Hello everyone! Welcome back to the Glorify channel. In today's tutorial, you will learn how to generate images using Glorify's AI feature powered by Leonardo AI. Let's dive in. You can access the AI image generator directly from the toolbar, or by going to the library and clicking the AI Images button. At the top, describe the image you want to generate. The more precise your prompt, the more accurate the final result will be. Select a preset based on the style you want. There are different options you can choose from. Learn all different presets by clicking on Info button here. Scroll down to the image generation settings to explore different styles, dimensions, sizes, and other granular options to make the image truly your own. Select multiple images to generate different versions from the same prompt, and let your imagination do the rest.